We've cleaned up the excess dirt to give us a clear work area, and now we're ready to install the cage and anchor bolt cluster. The rebar cage is lowered into the hole, which you'll notice is deeper than the cage is tall. When suspended, the cage will not touch the bottom or sides of the hole. We're using a 4x4 to suspend the cage with tie wire. The cage will be suspended with its top below the top of the hole so that concrete will cover the entire cage. Now, the exact design and size of your rebar cage and anchor bolt cluster will be determined by your engineering. If you need engineering, that's a service that Tenshon can provide, and one of our project managers would be more than happy to help you through that process. For convenience, we've made sure that our 4x4 post is level. This makes suspending the cage and placing the anchor bolt cluster much easier. With the cage in place, the anchor bolt cluster can then be added. We'll rest the template of the anchor bolt cluster on top of the 4x4 support. This can then be secured with tie wire. Ours is loose and will be adjusted when the concrete is poured.